Back in 2010, I was looking at ways on how to make money online. First of all, like a lot of you, I was looking for online jobs. So I started looking for data entry positions. That's when I stumbled across online marketing. Well, being the budding entrepreneur that I was, I fell in love with the idea of starting my own online business. But like any business, it requires spending money on a monthly basis. Even though this is much cheaper than a regular brick and mortar business, it still required monthly expenses. Things like domain names, hosting, autoresponders, that type of thing. And after a period of time, it does build up. And during my search, I stumbled across a thing called PLR, or private label rights. I stumbled across a thing called PLR, or private label rights. And we'll get into a little bit more about that a little bit later. Now, of course, when I first started online, most of the PLR sites were monthly memberships. So that was another expense I had to spend money on. But these days, we have a lot more options. Even though you still have, usually you have a one-time price for a domain name for about a year or two. You usually still have to pay for hosting and any other website builder that you might have on a monthly or yearly basis. But these days, PLR, or private label rights, doesn't have to be like that. So today, say goodbye to writer's block, get inspired with free PLR content. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm going to actually leave a link for all of these sites down in the description box down below. We're going to be looking at 6 different private label rights sites today. And I'm not going to go into all the details, but we will show you how you can go about finding free private label right products. Now, right now, I'm in the free private label rights section here. To be able to get to that, all we have to do is go over here and we go down to where it says private label rights. We don't want to be going over to the master resale rights or personal use rights or resale rights. We just want to stick with the private label rights. And we just click on that, and that is how you get here. As I said, I'll leave a link for all of these down in the description box down below. Now, today we're looking at one called 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗧. Now, this is a new site for me. I have not found this one before. You may have stumbled across it in the past, but this is actually new to me. Now, I'm having a look at this one here. This one was uploaded on the 4th of May in 2023, private label rights, and this is about relationships. Now, as you go through, you can have a look at the various ones they have here. Now, it's not all about health and well-being and mental health or anything like that. It's also Think and Grow Rich. And it does have here Self-Improvement Handbook, Fire Sale Essentials. Now, that Fire Sale Essentials would be an online marketing thing. And also Work at Home Benefits and various other ebooks you can have a look at. Now, I'm suggesting ebooks because it's something you can actually edit and change and make it unique to you. All right, let's go and have a look at the next site. Now, another new one I've just stumbled across today called My Resale Rights Products. And it says here, it boasts it's got 9,000 resale rights products. Now, it's not just resale rights. You can also find ebooks. Now, you've got your gold ebooks and you also have your free memberships. Now, you can have a look over here. You've got master resale rights, private label rights, giveaway rights, and niche ebooks. So you probably want to have a look at private label right ebooks. We'll have a look at that and we'll click on that and we'll wait until it comes up. Now, on the left-hand side here, you'll see that these are all ads of the various products that they have. And a lot of these ones on the left will most likely be master resale rights or resale rights. So you might want to ignore the ones on the left. It's the ones that are right here. Ebooks with private label rights, free membership. And you can go through and have a look at some of the free memberships. Now, you got here Facebook, Marketing Unleashed, Keep Your Mind Sharp, Improve Conversation. You do have a lot of mindfulness ones, Video Marketing Mastery, Periscope Marketing. And these are ones that you'll be able to literally edit and change and make it unique to you, which is awesome. And this one here is called My Resale Right Products. And even though it says resale rights, it also has some private label right books as well. Okay, so let's go check out the next one. Now, I've checked this one out before. It's called PLR Free Online. And this one here, we're in the free section here, free PLR downloads. And you can go over here to ebooks. Make sure it says free PLR ebooks and you click on that one. And all of these products here are PLR ebooks that you can edit and change to make it unique to you. And once again, you can have a look at the various types that they have. They also have other ones like master resale rights. Then you got basic resale rights and private use rights. So you've got that as well. You also have some software if you want to have a look at that and various other things. So let's go and have a look at my next one. Okay, in this particular one, it's called free PLR downloads. Now you can have a look here. Everything here is free. A lot of the times when you go to download these things, you'll get advertising, and that's how a lot of these places make their money. A lot of these places make their money if you don't want to upgrade. Now these two sites here, you can actually upgrade and become a paid monthly member if you wish to, or a yearly member or a lifetime member. Whereas this one here, or this one here, makes most of its money, or all of its money in fact, from the advertising that it puts on its site. And Google pays them to advertise on their website. So that is fine. That's how they make their money. And that's a legitimate and perfectly fine way of doing it. And everything here is free. And you can have a look at the various niches that they deal with. Internet marketing is a big one. And the ones that are really big are the most popular ones. Self-help is another big one. You got media software, spiritual and sports. And you can see all the various popular niches by the size of the font that they have there. Okay, now let's go and have a look at the next one. Now another one I've also shown about is this one here, is free PLR article directory. Now this one here, you can go through and have a look at the various articles that they have here. You've got private label rights. You click on that and have a look at the various ones that they have. As you can be given away, can be packaged with other offers, offered as a bonus, can be edited completely and your name put on it, can be used. So you can have a look at that. So we're gonna have a look, and everything here is also free. And you can choose whatever you want to be able to add as a product. Now another thing you want to have a look at is PLRdatabase.net. Now this is one of my favorite sites. It does tend to put fairly good products in almost all the time. Now you got this one here, you got your marketplace, and to find the free products you go here and you click on this one just here and it gives you the free products. Click on that and that's what it brings up, the site we're currently in. Just click on that, get rid of it. Okay, so we can have a look through all of these. Now what you have to do is you have to hover over the top to see whether or not it's master resale rights, or private label rights. And as you scroll through, you can have a look and determine whether or not you would like to be able to use it. Now, fuel efficient vehicle. This one here is master resale rights. This one here is PLR resale rights. And you can go through and just pick and choose what you want to do. This one here is private label rights. It's looking like it might be a course. This course exhibits the power of PLR material and the benefits you can get from it. So that's the one that you might want to be interested in having a look at as well. And you can have a look at the various ones that they have here. Now, once you actually have your private label right products, what do? Well, I would strongly suggest that you go to Quillbot and take it up to about there, and then you start adding, and this does have a free aspect of it. It does only give you a very, very small amount on the free aspect. It's not very expensive. It's not very expensive if you want to look at the yearly amount. But you can just get in here and you can use this every day if you wish to. Best part about it is once you pay for it and you go into become a premium member, you can put an entire ebook in here and it will redo the entire ebook. It will rewrite the entire ebook for you. And that's the best part about it, and make it unique to you. So that's what you need to do once you have actually picked up your private label right products. All right, guys. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these private label rights sites. Now, just to let you know, that right here is video I believe you might like. Down here is the video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you should be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.